Hi, this is Robin, and together we will build this blog site. We will use .NET Blazor Web Assembly for this, and this is the home page. We have infinity scrolling here. As we scroll down, look at the scroll bar. It's getting smaller, right? And in the top, we have also search bar. For this one here we have this. We have also loading placeholder for the blogs. When the blogs are being fetched from the server, the loading placeholder are being shown. Now if I go to any blog detail page, clicking here, as you can see the blog title in the top, this is the blog subtitle, this is the blog created time, and this is the author. And you can see here there are some comments. You can also create comment. So this is the comment that we just added. Now you can see here the time echo function. If you go into the account dashboard, you can see I am logged in as Andy Robert, who is not an admin, and here are some demo charts. Now if we go into category tab here, you can see the categories, and we don't see any option to add or edit these categories because those functionality only belong to the admin user. Now if we go into the blogs tab, here you can see all the blogs here, not only mine but also created by other users. There is also server side pagination also here, and we have also the category wise filtering here, so we can filter them by categories like this. You can also see that I can edit only my blogs, and also I'm also able to delete my blog, but I can't delete any blog that is created by some other user like this one. So we will edit a blog like this, and this has been edited. If we go to the home page, you can also see here this 3 exclamation mark here. Now we will log in, log out from this account and log in using a admin account. This is an admin account, and after logging in, you can go to the dashboard, and in the category you can see now we have the edit and delete option. We will also have search functionality here. You can also create blog like this. We have the title, the slug, subtitle. We will select a category like programming, and we will select the thumbnail. This one. This is actually a preview of the banner image. So let's submit this, and this is our new blog. If you go to the home page, and this is it.